Let's practice counting from 1 to 10. Hey, number block number 1, are you looking for your home? Will you help me find the red home for number block number 1? Thanks! Okay, let's look for the barn that's red. Is it this one? No. What about this one? No, I think that's purple. Hey, back here! This barn looks red, and that's the number 1. Let's count the dot. 1. Good job, number block 1. We found your home. What's that inside? Let's see. And it's 1 ball. You want to play with the ball? Okay. Number 2 is hungry. Let's feed him, but he can only eat the number 2. Which one is that? Well, why don't we count? Let's see. This is 1 pumpkin. Yep. And here we have pineapples. Help me count them. 1, 2. Hey, that's it. This is the number 2. Okay, number 2, you get to eat the pineapples. Yum, yum, yum. But what number is this? It's the number 3. Why don't we count the oranges inside? 1, 2, and 3. Here's number block number 3. Will you help me find his rings? Of course, he's gonna have 3. This is 1 ring, but that's red. Let's count. 1, 2. That's 2 rings, and those are blue. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3. That's it. 3 rings, and they're yellow, just like number block number 3. It's number block number 4. Oh, look at all of these cookies. Will you help me count them and find the number 4? Let's try it. Here we go. This one only has 1 chocolate chip, so that's the number 1. Here's the number 2 with 2 chocolate chips. Doing great so far. What about this one? Let's count the chocolate chips. 1, 2, 3. You did it! That's number 3, but we're looking for number 4. Let's see. Turn all of these over and let's count. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it! Number 4, just like number block 4. Let's count the rest. This one over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it! You're doing great! This one was number 6, remember? Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's number 7. I wonder how much is on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's next. Number 8. Which one of these is number 9? Let's count this one and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got it right. That's the number 9. That means this has to be the number 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it. Good job, number 4. 1, 2, 3. Number 4. And here's vehicle number 5. That's 5 cars, just like number block number 5. Good job. What number comes after 5? It's the number 6, of course. Help me count 6 treasure boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's 6 treasure boxes. And what comes after the number 6? The number 7, of course. Help me count 7 colorful dinosaurs. Let's line them up right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's just like number block number 7. Good job. The number 8 is next, and he loves ice cream. Help me count the ice cream scoops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Boy, that's a tall ice cream cone. Good job, number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Let's count again, but this time let's do it with ice cream cones. Let's play a game. I have some colored dinosaurs in here. I'll pick out a dinosaur, and that's the color of the ice cream we get. Here we go. It's a green dinosaur, so we have to get 1 green ice cream. Where's the green? Here it is. Green. Let's put it back in and do it again. Now we need 2 ice creams. It's red. Okay, help me find the red ice cream cones. We need 2. Here's 1, and 2. You can count at home with me. Okay, let's put the red dinosaur back. What about ice cream number 3? Orange. It's an orange dinosaur. Okay, we need 3 orange ice creams. 1, 2, and this one back here. 3. Great job. What about the number 4? Let's see. Hey, that's a purple dinosaur, but I don't see any purple ice cream. Can we do the pink one? Okay. We need 4 pink ice creams. 1, 2. And, oh look, there's one buried underneath here. Let's move these. That's number 3. And look, there's another one hiding under there. That's number 4. I think I hear something in the number 5 ice cream. It's a green dinosaur. Let's find 5 green ice creams. Here we go. 1, 2, and over here, 3, 4, and here's one back here. 5, we did it. I hear something in the number 6 ice cream. It's an orange dinosaur. Do you think we can find 6 orange ice cream scoops? Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Here's one back here. 4. Under the blue one, there's another one. 5. How many do we have so far? Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need one more. Back here under the pink one. 6. Good job. Okay, number 7, let's pull out a dinosaur. The purple dinosaur. That means we need to find the pink ice creams. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see another one back here. 5. And there's another one. 6. I think we just need one more. And here's one hiding right over here. That's 7. That's a lot of ice cream. What's that? I hear something inside the number 8 ice cream. It's a blue dinosaur. I don't think we've done a blue one yet. Let's find 8 blue ice cream cones. I wonder what flavor that would be. Well, blueberry, of course. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Under here's another one. 5, 6, 7. One more. There's one way back here under the red. 8. We did it. Here's number 9. Should we see what comes out? Oh, it's 3 dinosaurs. A purple, the blue, and the green. That means we should find all of those colors. Okay, let's start with the green. Over here is 1, 2, and 3. Now let's find the blue ice cream. 1, 2, 3. Now what about the purple or pink ice cream? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ice creams, all different colors. Green, blue, pink. You know what number comes next. Number 10. Let's pour out all of the dinosaurs and play with all of the colors. Let's do one at a time. Okay, well, here's the orange one. Purple, red, blue, and green. So let's start with the orange. 1. Now we need a pink one. Here's one back here. 2. Now red. 3. What about blue? 4. And the green. 5. Let's do it again. Orange is number 6. Where's a pink one? Over here. Number 7. Red is number 8. Blue is number 9. And green is number 10. We got all of the colors. Yum!